Yes, Mark. Well, they've been at it now for 3.5 hours, and we're being told that they probably will continue their discussions for another hour or so. We're told that this is taking a long time because, as each cabinet member makes their contribution, the Prime
Can you hear me?
Minister is answering.
Yeah, I can hear you. They say it's going to take another hour.
Another hour? They said half an hour ago.
Ministers getting their first detailed look at the agreement, but of course elsewhere now, more and more people, sources are getting a look at what that agreement is. And with me is our political editor, Faisal Islam, who's been working his contacts. And what are you hearing about this agreement?
Bumper sacking already.
Yeah, I spotted that.
Telling me that the withdrawal.
I thought about going short on pound dollar, but I just thought, you know what, fuck it, not gonna happen.
And obviously that's for both sides, but it pertains mostly to the United Kingdom wanting a unilateral exit.
Oh wow, that is a big drop, Jesus.
Number 10 is saying
That's a 100 pip drop.
that this backstop will be UK-wide customs arrangement, pretty close to the customs union, deeper regulatory alignment for Northern Ireland, but whether or not the United Kingdom can choose to leave that within 2 years or 3 years or 4 years, how it's temporary or not, that matters. That matters hugely. And the confirmation that I'm hearing from my sources that there is no unilateral way out of this backstop, that's quite important. Maybe one of the reasons why this meeting is going on for an awful lot longer than we expected.
Now, Father, we've just got some breaking news, and it is fairly dramatic.
Oh, they got some breaking news. I got them since 9 minutes.
Yeah.
The microphone is going to be redundant. The statement may come tomorrow. Now, that suggests that
We could be here for some time.
this meeting is, you know, running into the...
UK Prime Minister May will not deliver a Brexit statement on media on Wednesday evening.
That'll be so fucking irritating. Oh, people have just gone in.
A series of solutions that are so complicated, and to get it through this cabinet.
I got this 1:37, that is 6 minutes ago.
That was always going to prove difficult, and if it takes
They just said on live TV that's going to take another hour. What is it now?
I think it's, yeah, this is the biggest cabinet meeting about Brexit since Brexit started.
So there's still the possibility of the press statement.
It'll take a while.
Still, this is obviously going on for longer than.
I got time.
Just want to.
I got time.
Just add to what I said about from my sources about what's in this deal. No unilateral exit from the backstop. Also told that there's a large annex on a level playing field. Also controversial for many of the Brexiters who campaigned for Brexit on the basis that we will go out into the world and change our regulations and scrap some of the EU regulations. Level playing field, what that is about, is saying to the European Union, we won't out-compete you, we won't use the access, the free access.
I'm watching your stream, I'm watching the BBC's live feed.
Markets for car parts and
I have Reuters TV.
other goods and pharmaceuticals.
Yeah, that costs money though.
We won't accept that and out-compete you on environmental standards.
I can't afford money, come on.
Tax arrangements, on labour standards. We won't be a kind of island offshore from Europe that benefits essentially from full access to the single market, whilst undercutting the European Union in terms of standards, therefore being able to do things for lower cost.
But of course,
so a large chunk of this withdrawal, apparently I'm told, a large annex will be about level playing field arrangements. That shouldn't necessarily be a surprise. It was mentioned in the Mansion House speech by the Prime Minister, but the extent of those level playing field commitments the Prime Minister makes will be key, A, to the ease of the deal between the United Kingdom and the European Union, but also about the nervousness within the Conservative Brexit circles about, is this type of Brexit worth it? Is it worth going through with all?
Or is this type of Brexit worth it? Fuck off.
Say and promise the European that in return for a smoothish Brexit, we will basically align on key areas.
Oh, Reuters just updated the news.
In order to change those regulations.
This is the fashion statement.
Well, it's not. Yes.
No, it's still the same, just new date.
Yes, but it's absolutely key, in particular as regards, and it all interacts with the backstop. If we're part of the customs union and UK manufactured goods have free access to the European Union. These level playing fields are key to many EU 27 states in saying, well, hang on a minute, how can
Are you going to trade this?
out-competing us, doing deals
No, Wallstar just wrote in the YouTube chat why we are filming his house.
as if they were in the single market. This is what that is about. Obviously, the devil with both of these things is in the detail.
That's funny.
Relate to you sources who have who know of some of the text are telling me, but we await
120 pip drop on pound dollar.
deal text, because it's in that detail that we'll see.
What the fuck are they doing? Can I not even put the camera on a tripod or what?
And we are not going to get that until this meeting finishes.
Yeah.
This meeting is already way over.
Of course, we're still waiting, as we say, for the Prime Minister and other cabinet ministers to give their reaction to the meeting. So just to recap and to make clear, the Minister for London.
There's people outside the fucking
From the Prime Minister today.
the reporters station with anti-Brexit signs.
However, the expectation remains that the Prime Minister will make a statement.
Wait, she's cancelled the press conference now.
On the conclusion.
May. It's May. They added the word May. That's why the news story was updated just now on Reuters.
Oh, fuck.
Great. All right, which is going to rehearse headlines?
Perfect, gentlemen. Thank you very much. Cool. That's worth doing. I'm all right, mate.
Wait, what news story are you looking at?
Sorry, I heard the word press, which
Oh, right,
was,
'cause
Sweet.
Which one are you looking at?
I have Reuters. So I keep getting these updates pretty quickly.
Are you getting confused about the word May or the name May? Because their name is May.
Yeah, I'm good. It's when I.
Yeah, that's what I just wrote. I wrote it also in the trading room. Oh, you're alive.
Okay.
He's alive.
Yeah, I've just been busy. I haven't gone on my computer much.
Okay, so I'll
Yeah, we were worried already. Maybe somebody robbed your store or something.
No, I'm okay.
oh, fine. Okay. Just let me know if you do. Okay.
Oh man.
I can't hear you because they're talking right. Sorry? Oh, what?
This guy keeps asking me to buy his tutorial.
The following program is intended for mature
So
audiences.
fun.
anyway.
I lost $75 today, guys. We getting some
Okay.
You lost $75. What do you mean?
on stocks.
Were you trading or were you just?
No, just my investment.
Holy shit.
You haven't really lost that money.
What?
You haven't really lost that money.
A draft
No.
Brexit is presented
What is still down $75?
a cabinet will
My level 2 is exploding here.
agree it.
Holy shit.
They insist the withdrawal plan is the best one for the country and what people voted for.
There are 6 pip spreads. That's pretty
Yeah,
good.
this is becoming untradeable. Look at, oh my god, look at Divergent swing. Fucking
Nice.
hell.
I have a 6 pip spread on level 2.
Have already been critical.
This is brutal. The bots are fighting like crazy. This is really fun to watch.
And I'd like to rehearse the top if that's all right.
Well, people in the trading room can't say I didn't warn them.
So they take that as given and then sort of project from there.
And the thorniest issue of all has been the border with Northern Ireland.
Nice. What is it? What level is that? I cannot even read that.
That's so far down it doesn't even have a level.
I gotta go, guys. I'll be back.
Later.
Let me just zoom in like 1,000 times.
Yeah. Yeah, now I'm going to have to read them.
That's a fucking crazy diverse
Minus 310. Okay.
Jesus.
How can I unzoom that?
Good evening. We are live from Downing Street on what has been a day of considerable drama here. Behind me, inside number 10, cabinet ministers are locked in a meeting with Theresa May. They are trying to see.
Looks like the bot stopped trading. Spread is back to normal.
The draft plan that Theresa May has presented. All cabinet ministers need to agree it. It is then to be
Some goon behind the camera saying, "We want the people's vote. Stop Brexit. Stop Brexit."
as well. We were
I hear some other reporter, a non-Reuters reporter, talking something. I guess the camera next to them.
no idea when she will come out, and that is perhaps an indication of just how difficult.
It's not so big a movement, though. Oh, 122 pips.
Pretty big movement, I'll be honest.
I gotta save this divergence picture.
That's fucking crazy.
No, it's no good. Thank you. And then is there a chat with Laura after this?
Where do you want?
Okay. Hey, Laura.
Right, no press conference.
Hello. Hello. Okay.
Right.
Do you want to hold it?
We got the details now.
Yeah. I'm not sure. I mean, if we're in the camera.
You're talking to them, we all listen.
If you don't mind, probably.
Right.
So I'll just leave it.
There will be a statement, there won't be a press conference. Number 10 source. Yeah, official.
Yeah, I'm going to go and dump this stuff into the while, haven't we?
Ah, there's just news coming in.
First appearance.
Your piece.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ed. Then live video. Now they can't take it. It's regions.
I've got 5 extra minutes, right?
The reason why I do
Sam, I don't know if you're hearing us, but yeah.
Yeah, fine. We're going back.
Sorry about the caps. The terminal keeps doing that. Machine readable
Looks
text.
like we are gonna... There will be a short statement. Okay. If this comes back to the trend line, I'm going to short the shit out of it with the tight stop loss. Actually, that's probably a bad idea.
Who is number 10?
Who's number 10? What do you mean?
Brexit number 10 now saying Prime Minister will make a short statement outside Downing Street when cabinet is over.
There's just one question, Laura, isn't it?
Number 10 is basically Theresa May.
Okay.
So basically just the Prime Minister's rabble, because she lives in number 10 Downing Street.
Oh, okay.
So when they say number 10, it just means, you know.
Gotta love writers if shit like that.
Mm.
Someone just saw the minister just responding to your absolute response.
Okay. All right. What did you want to do? You want to do the details thing?
So I've got further detail. Apparently the Jeffrey Cox.
Easy money all day.
Are you actually trading this?
No, I'm not crazy. Dude, I trade small ranges, 6 pips and I'm happy. Not 600.
Theresa May will give a statement to the House of Commons.
I prefer to feed my wallet and not my ego.
Prime Minister,
Yeah, fair enough.
there'll be an emergency summit of EU leaders on the 25th of November. Then, provided all goes smoothly, there'll be a week of debate in the House of Commons on the deals. And after that,
So, what's going on?
probably.
Nothing going on.
So, what is the deal that they'll actually be debating?
I
Just
just
retraced about 90 pips.
And they are still discussing. But our correspondent Chris Morris has the latest now on what we do.
I just had a cool idea. I'm gonna bring in some news text.
A little bit more headroom, please. Thank you. Can you turn program sound down slightly in my ear because it's deafening? That's important. Chris is deafening me in my ear. Chris Morris. Wow. Who does that? I can't. I'm being deafened, yeah.
Program sound is too loud.
Because it's...
Hold on, I've got to call the... Yeah, I'm calling you.
I have to take my earpiece out every time the VT runs.
It's not on there. It's not on there.
The Morris intro.
Yes, I've changed it.
Okay, so it would take
Yes, I've taken that out.
Fine, okay, good.
Stop shaking the camera, damn it.
I have to take my earpiece out because I can't.
Sort the sound out.
I can't do the program with it.
Really dumb why they're doing that.
It's program sound, not gallery. No, it's just the same. I mean, I have to say that is a big problem because I can't keep taking my earpiece in and out. Oh, hang on, it's coming. Sorry, it's actually coming. That's way too loud. Way too loud.
Yeah, thanks for audio checking.
Are you watching the BBC News live stream? There's a fucking moron in the background. Just, oh my god.
No, I'm having Reuters live.
No, it's just as loud. And this cannot happen.
But the reporter bitch next to them, bitching about their audio setup.
Yeah.
Like they have nothing better to do.
Thanks.
Why is the camera shaking?
I don't know.
It's just ridiculous. Same.
This is really annoying.
I'm pretty sure that's the BBC's camera.
It's just on direct one, it's one of the yellow pops. Alright, thanks.
It just means that obviously I have to have it out of my ear, and then I can't hear it again.
Any of you guys got a bit of...
Well, pound dollar trading within a 120 pip range. 3-minute range.
That's how you go broke with style.
Yeah, bro.
Is it a white
Thank you
banner?
so much.
I think in 5 minutes they'll turn it down.
Seriously?
No, we've sorted it with a different bit of equipment. There's been some marvellous watching going on.
Well, they're still trying to figure out how the camera works.
Maybe it's just like an intern work experience guy just fucking working the camera.
Yeah, this is not important news, so fuck it. Just send the intern.
Okay, fine.
That's weird. So pound dollar recovered because Sky News said that there will be a short statement.
That's how you make money.
A draft.
Maybe just like the manager of like the fucking Sky News floor is just like controlling the currency remotely. Well, he's on plus 500 on his phone while he's trading this.
Trump is gonna be so angry.
Let's make this move.
The plan can't go ahead unless the cabinet agree to it. They've been discussing it inside number 10 all afternoon, and the voices have already been critical. Yeah, but you can't. has to be here.
So just run across the. Oh, that was funny. On the BBC feed, someone just ran across the camera like Naruto.
They're very well organized there. I see that already.
The deadlock. Sure, why not?
It's annoying.
Well, I don't want to
Like, oh, we're gonna have to give them credit because this is like how to say that. Nobody knows this is gonna happen.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Good evening, we are live from Downing Street. What has been a day of considerable drama here. Cabinet ministers are lost in a meeting behind them with the Prime Minister, trying to see if they can agree to the draft Brexit withdrawal plan that has been presented by Theresa May. They have to agree it, and they are the only ones who have seen it so far, before it to be then presented to Parliament for MPs to vote on. And the time we were given as to when Theresa May would come out and announce what has been discussed in this meeting, what's been agreed, was about an hour ago, and that keeps slipping, which is perhaps an indication of just how difficult they're putting it in there to reach an agreement. Let's hear first from political editor Laura Kingsbury.
It's a new update, but it's just a different text, the same meaning.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, just cue me. It's going to be after the grab of what's his name? The Tory backbone. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it will just cue me and I'll go. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Offer you anything else? Just good, nice words. Either way, next has just we make sure
$1 gain.
Brexit is presented by the Prime Minister, but will her Cabinet, will Parliament and will EU member states accept it? Theresa May insists the withdrawal plan is the best one for the country and will people...
Oh, percent gain. Let's have a look at gold. 100% my fucking IC markets are going to crash because the amount of data coming in.
They've been discussing it inside number 10 all afternoon. Other voices have already been critical.
Well, inside number 10 behind me, the Cabinet have now been talking for 4 hours and they are still in their discussions. If there's agreement, we are...
Stop drinking tea.
Here in Downing Street from the Prime Minister this evening.
Who's drinking tea?
Yeah, what else did they do for 4 hours?
Oh, okay, fair enough. Yeah, that's all we do. Just drink tea.
When the bots I've been on the right side of the once the
Move the charts a
Good
little
evening,
bit.
we are live from Downing Street on what has been a day of considerable drama here. Cabinet Minister
Considerable drama. Who is the chick who speaks besides them?
crash out an agreement to the draft withdrawal Brexit plan that the Prime Minister has presented to them. The Cabinet are the only people to have seen it so far, and they have to agree it if it's then to be presented to Parliament for MPs to vote on. Now, the timing that we have been given for when the Prime Minister will come out and tell us and tell you that what's been said in that meeting keeps slipping back. It was going to be 5 o'clock, then 6 o'clock now. Who knows? I think that might perhaps be some indication of just how difficult it is to find agreement there inside the tent. Let's get the latest on today's developments from our political editor, Laura Cootsburg.
yeah, just so they can make a straight area as well, rather than I think it's more annoying to have it within the night, just to have it mixed in their ears.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Faisal, watch your coffee but drop back.
Okay. Excuse me. I'm going to talk to Laura. Oh, did you hear all that?
Thank you very much indeed, Mark. Well,
And when I
as
talk
we
to
were
Laura,
saying, the
do I need
Cabinet
to
have been
move in
meeting
some
for
way?
over 4 hours discussing this deal, and it was thought that perhaps around about tea time the Prime Minister would be able to make a statement announcing agreement. That obviously hasn't happened. We're told she's answering the queries from Cabinet Ministers one by one, which is why this has become a more drawn-out process. Meanwhile, of course, in Brussels and elsewhere, people are beginning to get the outlines of what this deal might consist of. So first of all, Faisal, what's going on here? Is the Prime Minister having trouble getting this aboard of the Cabinet?
Well, evidently the meeting would have been rather swifter had it been an easy task. It never was going to be too easy. But from what I'm hearing, it has been a little difficult for the Prime Minister, and there's no surprise when you hear some of the details that Sky sources have told us about what's in that text, hundreds of pages, and then a further document on the future partnership. So I'm told it contains, the text contains confirmation that there's no unilateral exit from that backstop arrangement designed to keep the Irish border where it is. Also told that there's a large annex in the document on level playing field. That is about all the extra legislation around tax and environment and labour standards that surround the regulations.
So basically this is going to be grist to the middle of those people saying this is Brexit in name only.
So I think what has happened, this probably wasn't supposed to happen, is that people who have read this document, cabinet ministers who are a little sceptical, have given little details out to some other MPs on their side of the argument. And that is why you've had the backlash. You've heard Peter Bone there from Prime Minister's questions, very angry about what he's hearing about this. I've also heard, I mean, after I mentioned that to you, those two quite fundamental details about the shape of this deal, I heard from a very
I'm going to need another coffee.
upset senior figure
Me too.
in the government, who's obviously not in there, nonetheless, who said that the Brexiters were pretty glum about what they had heard, had said that the description was basically spot on, and that what they had heard was that the Attorney General Geoffrey Cox has not pulled his punches in confirming in legal advice that there can be no unilateral exit from the arrangement described in this draft withdrawal treaty. That really matters, because then what are we talking about here? We're talking about something that to most people looks like a version of the customs union this is the backstop activity for the whole of the United Kingdom, with a certain degree of regulatory alignment too. That's the level playing field.
Well, Laura, to be a fly.
And then that becomes the starting point for the future relationship. And you'll have seen this morning there was a very interesting story on the front page of the Times, a leaked account, chimes exactly with what we heard in that leaked account of what one of Michel Barnier's top negotiators told EU ambassadors.
Spread is back to normal. Yes, the show is over.
It's not over till the fat lady sings. And that fat lady hasn't even left her house yet.
Yeah, because she's calling her broker.
Yeah.
Some fear from a Brexit perspective, this would make it really quite difficult to negotiate meaningful, substantive, independent trade deals with the likes of America and with the Pacific. Prime Minister, though, adamant on 2 points. She said it at Prime Minister's questions that we could, for example, join the successor organisation to the Trans-Pacific Partnership as a result of the legal freedoms afforded by this deal. She also says, number 10 have been making the point, that it's a negotiation win, that a version of the backstop that pertains just to the Northern Ireland, that would have created constitutional barriers, that is now out of the document, that is a negotiation win. And essentially, she'll be going around that table now saying, this is the best we're going to get whilst having a smooth Brexit. Do you really want a no deal? That is the sort of argument now you expect. She hasn't come here yet to give a statement. I'm not clear that all the Cabinet can and will support this. Clearly it's going on for longer than we thought. There could still be quite some drama here tonight. And if she gets through this, we still have all the drama in Parliament too. And it didn't look great for her in terms of not just Conservative backbenchers on the Brexit wing, on the Remain wing.
I swear they're just gonna keep saying like it's gonna go on for another hour, it's gonna go on for another hour.
And the DUP in town too, not showing too much love for the shape of this deal.
Okay, Faisal, thank you very much indeed. Should be said, Mark, that any media offensive tonight from the Prime Minister, much more limited than people were talking about. It's going to be a short statement here and then a statement to the Commons tomorrow. But of course, all that is predicated on Cabinet agreement, which we don't yet have. Back to you.
What a headline. Pornhub pay incredible tribute to Stan Lee.
Okay.
Not sure what they're implying there, but
Are you done?
No.
Right.
It's getting serious.
Okay, very serious.
oh, they put a Thor hammer next to the Pornhub logo on their website.
So you went to Pornhub to find that out?
Or is it the end?
No, it pops up on my Facebook feed. But obviously, I'll have to go and double check that. You know, obviously.
There's no hammer. I just checking it out.
Okay.
You will come in 5 minutes if you play now.
Are we supposed to be doing
I hope that's not on stream. Which screens have you got on stream? Because that could be pretty devastating for your YouTube channel.
Oh, there's gonna be a lot of clicks.
Pound dollar just dropped again.
Yeah,
it's on its lower trend line.
It's right to the news. Brexit senior Tory tells Brexiter anger so high that seems likely there will be a call for no confidence vote tomorrow.
It's gonna smash straight through it. Oh shit, this is bad. This is bad.
They're speculating for a no confidence vote tomorrow.
If there's a no confidence vote, then the pound will crash.
Yeah, that's why it's crashing now. It started to crash exactly when this news came out.
This is fucking crazy.
Look, the mayor's totally distracting me. Alive into Sarah Smith, and then into business.
If I'd gone short at the upper trend line, I'd have made so much fucking money by now. But hey.
Oh, bloody hell.
Oh, yeah, they couldn't keep away.
Aren't you in bed yet?
No, I should bet, tell you what. So you up at 3 in the morning tomorrow? That was this morning, yeah. You're coming to do a big speech.
Tell you what, I'll go down and make a pizza. So, no news when she's coming out. No. She'll come out when she comes out.
Well, Scotland's First Minister Nicola Sturgeon has said that this draft agreement represents a bad deal for Scotland. She said it means that Scotland will come out of the single market while Northern Ireland effectively stays in. Well, let's talk to our Scotland editor, Sarah Smith, who's in Edinburgh for us. Sarah, it's worth repeating, Nicola Sturgeon, like so many, has not seen the details of this draft agreement. But what do her comments today mean about whether the SNP is likely to support it or not?
That's exactly what happened on that December. It was the Green MEP blabbing away while Barnier told them. Hey? Yeah, I'm fine. Sleeve that off. Yeah, I can expressly put having gone up. I know where you're going. Knowing that's not you haven't fucked people up because you haven't created a sense of jeopardy. People don't think that it needs to be said. And every time you say I'm doing it at this time.
Sarah Smith in Edinburgh, thank you. Well, as the Prime Minister tries to sell this draft withdrawal agreement to her cabinet ministers behind me, she's been in there for over 4 hours now. She's also been trying to convince a business that this deal is workable. Today, some business owners who have long talked about the damage and chaos they believe crashing out with no deal would bring have been giving the draft agreement a mixed response. Our business editor Simon Jack has more. And then a handbag to catch it. It's quite exciting if that would enliven the whole. Oh, that's very funny. Something kind of puts you on your toes.
No, this has been the primary gig. Oh, and two. Long old man. Quite cool. Oh yeah.
Right, now your knees hang up.
Another gold news, but it looks like a repeat.
Well, let's talk now to our Europe editor, Katya Adler, who's in the Brussels. Katya, the atmosphere is pretty febrile here. What's the reaction been from the EU today?
Yeah, likely to face leadership challenge.
Katya in Brussels, thank you very much. Well, that is it from Downing Street for now. We're still waiting for the Prime Minister to come out and update on what's been going on in there. I'll be back a little bit later in the programme, but for now, Ben, back to you in the studio.
No, it's the same.
Yes, at the end, so probably only about 9 minutes.
How long have we got back then? Sorry.
But it's arriving. It says it's 25.
Some of the business topics
Yeah.
So, is it gonna happen or is it gonna happen?
Yeah, pretty much.
That's right, but a more general briefing for a collection of trade organisations. had talks. Well, there's a sign. There's a sign of something. All right, that's very helpful.
Some Brexiters are switching position from want and see to moving against. What the hell?
Heroic stuff. Understanding.
No, I might say, what do you want to say?
But no changes to tariff.
Do you know what I'm saying? You know, rumours of possible issue.
Yeah, I mean, although we said it, we sort of said that.
We haven't said it. Did you say it?
Well, this is boring.
Is this not?
Indeed.
When I said it as strong.
You did. Okay. You've got that. Okay.
I know what you've
I've got a piece before this. Don't worry. Think about it. I'm going to do this piece. Enjoy this piece. Okay.
This is a good line. There was due to be a briefing with business groups. It's been cancelled. Basically.
Thank you very much. More on our main story tonight, and it's nearly 2.5 years since voters voted in the referendum for the UK to leave the European Union. So how are people feeling about things have turned out?
Tim
Well,
Montgomery
in
chooses this moment to finally back.
52% of people voted to leave, 48% voted to remain, which of course reflects the picture overall in the UK.
Well, he was backing
John Hayes
EA
been
last
down there to talk to people, see how they feel about how things are turning out. Okay, so what are we going to ask?
Well,
I suppose you did say that.
I did say that. Why don't we do something like this? First
struggle along, and it looks like it's exactly as tonight. Okay. Brilliant. Brilliant.
I said it.
You're over again.
I think it's going to help. I think you said it.
Okay. Sorry, I wasn't
I barely remember what I've said. And it comes out of my mouth. So, breaking up. I can't hear anything. Can somebody let them know that it's not great talk, that Robin. It's very crunchy. Corker hasn't got on. Cameras haven't got on. He's happy with what you're giving him now.
going to Mel Coles.
Yes. Just bear in mind at any time I'm not responding to comments. Okay?
Eva does it.
Can you get hold? Yeah.
What, 5 to 7, are we? That's the first I've heard of it. Okay. Not with me.
Apparently loads of buildings have been vandalised in London today.
Okay.
My mum's there now and she's just sent me a text saying loads of buildings have been vandalised and there's loads of police everywhere.
Decision time for the cabinet over Theresa.
Let's get the latest Laura Kuznets back with you. Laura, 2.5 years since the referendum, it has been a struggle for Theresa May in all that time. And given how much
10. PM urging ministers to... It certainly doesn't. We've been in there for 4 hours. Well, of course, there's lots of detail to pour over. We know what the stumbling blocks are. We know where the familiar arguments are over the particular concerns. The fact they've been in there for so long does not look good. One source of those concerns is Brussels, which counts their own inhabiting polite version of a no conflict village right there.
So just checking.
Well,
Not coming out
you
right
have to be
now.
very careful in Downing Street about looking over your shoulder, of course. But look, I would emphasise there are people in there tonight. There are plenty of people in there who will want to make this work. The question is, after everything, given the levels of
I'm live with the latest in Downing Street Plus, the fact that you're reaction from Brussels and Dublin.
Whether or not she's really...
So tonight, a government U-turn over delay and limits to fixed odds betting machines.
Will there
The Leicester tomorrow's air experts focus on tail rotor and
leadership? That is not impossible. But what is also possible, because Theresa May has been underestimated in so many ways, is that she gets through with an awful lot of scrapes and bruises, but she gets through to carry on for another day. She has got this far by trying to cajole people very determined to avoid confrontation. It is possible in the next hours, in the next few hours, confrontation.
Charles in party mood.
Thank you very much indeed. Well, for now, let's move away from all matters Brexit. Let's see what's happening with the weather. Mel Coles is going to tell us. So what time back on at 5 to 7 am I? Yeah. When was that decided?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or something like that.
It's just the home cooking supper for my daughter. Okay. Oh, so be it. So I want to say that at the end.
You want? Yeah. How long was
Pardon? I think so. I'm going to stand back at 5 to 7. Yeah?
minimum weather?
Yeah, I've still got you, yep. No developments here though, as yet. Yep.
Fran is here again,
Oh, right, what am I doing? I don't have a script or anything. Okay. Yeah, I can hear the gallery. What am I doing? Just tell me briefly. Okay, fine. We should get a minute's notice.
Well,
You'll
that's
be
pretty
pleased
much
to hear.
it from us here in Downstreet. Are we back towards the top of the hour at 5 to 7 with the very latest developments? But for now, it's time for to see the news with the BBC's news teams where you are. Bye-bye.
Decision time for the Cabinet over Theresa May's Brexit deal. Been meeting for more than 4 hours.
Well, we're here anyway, don't worry.
PM urging ministers to back the agreement. As Brussels waits for an answer, her own MPs accuse her of betrayal. Live with the latest in Downing Street. Plus, we'll have all reaction from Brussels and Dublin. Also tonight, a government U-turn over a delay in limits to fixed odds betting machines. The Leicester helicopter crash. Air experts focus on the tail rotor and Charles in party mood as he celebrates a 70th birthday.
Zach,
Are you sort of taking charge of production, or is George? No, I just wonder what the, you know, once we get into 7, the Sky News tonight, what they want. Yeah.
Good evening from Downing Street. Now, all eyes are on the door of number 10. Any sign or a decision to Brexit plan. The Cabinet has now been meeting for 4.5 hours as the most important political moment since the country voted to leave the European Union. Mr. urged colleagues to back an agreement with the EU, she says is in the national interest, but critics claim that she has betrayed voters who voted for Brexit. We will bring you all the latest as it happens, plus, of course, reaction from Brussels and Dublin. First, correspondent Romney Wicks. Yes. Who hasn't got comms? Cameras have got comms. Yes. And can you confirm how long Brandy and I have?
I'll take a question.
Say that again. 2 minutes.
Yeah, I've taken them all out already. Until she was. Thank you. I mean, it might. All right, cool. So status and type. All right. They're rolling. What? Sorry. And I think the way this is going, let's imagine this is so she comes out. So say she comes to half 7, 8. Maybe there was has to do. We'll just get there. We'll go here and we'll.
They were saying
Well, our slight problem is as soon as she goes in, we have to get back up again. So we're a slight exception in a way.
But don't worry, we're all attached, so we can't go anywhere anyway.
So we would tuck ourselves in. I mean, we would tuck ourselves in.
You're supposed to be out an hour and a half. You're still doing.
I didn't realise you were going to go on. That sounds fine.
We're not going to rush her, I promise you.
Either otherwise in a 500-page contract about has been lives. That is the responsibility of the Minister's shoulders this evening. I suspect that is what's going on this evening. They are working through page by page, raising the concerns that we know they do have about this Brexit deal, and the Prime Minister, I suspect, is allowing them to vent those concerns rather than to take those frustrations away to the allowing them quite frankly, they've had their phones taken off them. We don't know exactly what's going on. We're still expecting a short statement from the Prime Minister here in Downing Street, though not a lot.
You did very well repairing that pole. We'll get a new one.
Have you got the instead of theirs?
Sorry about that.
So what's E. Randy's deal? Is he trying to make a bot that sort of news trades? He explained it to me the other day, but I kind of forgot what it was.
Get that this evening, but we know the major sticking point is still the Northern Irish backstop. That will be the big still discussing there. This evening, many.
Sorry, what did you say?
E. Randy, isn't he trying to code a bot that does news trading?
I suspect that would be one of the major sticking points, but quite frankly,
No.
Or should we get someone else? Should we get someone else to start cutting a package now? Literally, if they definitely want a package for tech, they need to get somebody else.
We're 4.5 hours, almost 5 hours in. Nobody has left yet. They have already.
Nothing happened, huh?
They start cutting now.
Prior to this cabinet meeting, but why is it going on so long? Clearly there are frustrations amongst cabinet. Clearly they're expressing those frustrations, and we don't know whether they're going to boil over into resignation.
I'll be down here, don't worry. Oh, right, okay.
Well, as Theresa May's cabinet gathered this afternoon, so did ambassadors from 27 other EU countries. They were brought together to be briefed on the proposed Brexit deal. Theresa May is in Brussels for us right now. So, James, what is the mood there?
Holy shit, this is boring. I'm gonna get me a new coffee.
Or do we just hand it over to Beth? Actually, we should just get Beth to use the package. I mean, it's just.
I mean, there's 100 slides we say that, you know, 5.
I mean, I haven't done a piece of camera. I didn't throw anything to anybody. It's, you know, this is not a. Sorry, Zach's talking to somebody. He's gone off. I don't want you to be talking to different people and say different things.
No, I like the tweet last night when that one came out that weekend to how someone said,
James, good luck.
So what public sector
Well, the Irish government also
hell is a bar in
special
Pimlico
cabinet
with
meeting
the
today, giving
2-for-1
ministers
shots.
there a chance to see the draft text. Prime Minister Liam Varadkar then went on to make a statement to Parliament, and Neil Connery is in Dublin. So, Neil, what did you have to say?
Owen Bennett, Tory MPs just told me they put in a letter to Graham Bailey calling for a confidence vote.
So quiet inside.
So meanwhile, 1922.
May tries to sell Brexit deal, but opposition mounts.
So Unionist Voice have just published this.
George?
Well, Cabinet approval is just one of the hurdles that Theresa May must overcome. There are still many more to go before a deal is finally fully secured. An emergency EU summit is expected to take place on the 25th of November, where European leaders can have their say. And back here, the Prime Minister still has to get through a meaningful vote in Parliament in early December, where she must get MPs on side before she can proceed. And that's all before Britain officially leaves the European Union for March.
CNN takes legal actions against Trump.
Business community on side if her Brexit deal is to succeed. Now, some firms have been preparing for a no-deal scenario, warning that any further delay on agreement would risk job losses. Business editor Joel Hills is more. Yeah, Freddie. I can't hear you, Freddie. Can you press the button? Okay.
What I miss?
Nothing.
Fab.
Tries to sell Brexit deal, but opposition mounts.
Yeah.
Yes, so do you want to...
Yeah. Okay.
This guy that accuses me with his lawyer. I'm in his chat room, you have like 40 people.
Having lost 100.
No, 36.
Having lost 100.
And they're just talking about US dollar African rents.
Thank you.
He has 10,000 pip drawdown.
Ooh. But then again, the pit value on the rand is very, very low, so
Yeah, it's nothing.
that's more like I don't know, 500-ish pips. That's still a huge drawdown.
30 pips away from his pound yen target, but he never mentioned a target.
Let's cross now to our political editor Robert Peston, who's preparing for his weekly programme. Now, Robert, this feels
Have you closed the live stream?
like a crisis.
No.
Oh, there we go. It's back. It's just sort of went off for a second. My internet.
It's going to be like a fish boss bash. Somebody stood in maybe. It's not much of any of the stuff. Now, I might be wrong, but my gut feeling is maybe it does all happen. don't think it's. I just. We're going to spend 2 hours putting
for the
together
very
a piece of
latest
telly
on
that's going to be
increasingly tense Brexit debate. Watch Preston on ITV.
writing it and analysing it, doing it right over.
So we'll bring you more on the Cabinet meeting later in the programme, but in the meantime, let's look at the rest of the day's news. And the government's been forced into an embarrassing climb down on fixed odds betting terminals. And follows the resignation of the sports minister, Crouch, from the Cabinet after the budget proposed a £2 cap would not be introduced until next October. President Vina is in Parliament. So this looks very much like a humiliating U-turn, isn't it? Tell Freddie we think something may be about to happen.
Yeah, I can, yeah. Yes, I can hear you, yes. Yeah. Yep.
Thank you, Adam.
Okay.
Is this one working? It's facing a different way.
To other news today. And an investigation into the fatal Leicester City helicopter crash is looking at whether or not a problem with the tail rotor may have caused the accident. 5 people, including the car's owner, died when the aircraft suddenly plummeted to the ground last month. Moments before, the helicopter was filmed spinning in one direction, despite the pilot having pressed the pedal to go the other way. Stacey Foster reports.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, sure, no problem.
Yeah, I mean,
Slappy, sir. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you. Calls in for live when? That's Charles. Right, can I have print up or something? No, Francine Live? No, 6. Okay, how long is the Brandy Live going to be? And then that's just before the goodbye, is it?
One minute for us.
30. I've got the goodbye as 1:30.
So how long till you come to me, Billy?
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. I know. If she does, we just keep rolling, do we? If they're using the full camera as well. Hang on. Yeah, I understand.
Shock explosion. I told jurors they did it to claim £300,000.
I know that. Yeah.
In February, the blast destroyed a supermarket and a flat above where a family was and denied conspiring to commit fraud and charges of murder and manslaughter. 4 more House of Fraser stores are set to close after new owner Sports Direct failed to reach an agreement with the
No, not as yet, Ian. Things are definitely overrunning, and incidentally, we hear that one consequence of that is that the Prime Minister has had to cancel a planned briefing session today with business leaders. What we do know is that this meeting has been running for 5 hours now. That means there'll be no time for a statement in the Commons this evening. And the Prime Minister is still expected, if agreement is reached, to come out and make a short statement here. Also, any idea
Can you hear me?
news conference this evening?
Yeah.
No.
That has
Oh, okay. I saw your thing light up, but I didn't hear anything swing. How you guys doing?
Oh, we're just watching pound cable, yeah. Pound US.
Cable's going insane, right?
Yeah.
Up and down.
But nothing is really happening.
It was earlier, but I mean, like, was that? Yeah, that was before the New York Open. And I just had somebody come by here. I got a consultation with the cleaning service man for some maids, bro. They're actually pretty reasonable.
Reasonable in the sense that they clean your home and don't steal your stuff.
Right, they're licensed and bonded, and the only time I'm really going to take a hit is the first time they come. The first time they come, they're going to charge me like $90-something an hour, and I told her, I said, I figured at least 3 hours the first time they're here. You know, I said, there's only 2 of us. I was hoping you're going to send a team of 4.
90 what?
$90 an hour.
What do they do? Are they naked and 17 years old?
No, bro. But here's the deal. That's just the first time. After that, it only costs me for them to come by once a week. So 4 visits a month, man. There's only like 100 and I forgot what she said. But text. Let me look at this paper. I think it's like $116 a month. That's not bad at all.
Okay, so the trial is just
No, basically what she's saying is, here's what I could do. I could just say, I want them to come once a month. And then they just come once a month, man, and do whatever they can within the friggin' hour that they're here until they get it caught up. Or I could clean it myself one time, or I could just pay them to come for 2 hours, man. It's going to cost me a couple $100 for them to knock it out from friggin' every friggin' room.
So it's like
funny.
An initial cleaning. I did that and I moved into the new house where I live now since whatever 9 years already. I did that too. Just hire somebody, just clean it up. I don't care.
Yeah, here's what they dust the baseboards, remove cobwebs, vacuum, mop all floors, carpets, rugs, stairs, vacuum cloth, furniture, including under cushions, clean glass surfaces, makeup, straighten linens, empty waste baskets, yada yada yada.
We've had, yes, but not imminent, like 20 minutes, half an hour. Yeah.
20 minutes, half an hour. Yeah, what they said an hour ago.
The only thing I don't dig is
they said half an hour about 2 hours ago.
Well, I have to provide them with a key to my house, so that's kind of weird. But you know what? I'm tired of this shit, man. I'm to the point where I'm just barely clean enough to keep it from being a complete disaster.
That sounds like my house.
Well, it's when I had a wife, dude. I mean, everything was clean, vacuum, laundry is done and everything, man. So, but you get what you pay for, man.
My wife only cleans when her mother comes.
Oh shit! Yeah, see, that wouldn't work with me. I'll come home and I'll be like, "What's this on the floor over here?" Arr.
I don't really care much, but I get annoyed if she then starts cleaning it. She's your mother. She knows who you are. Why you pretend to be somebody else?
Exactly right. Why are you trying to show off for your mom? That don't make no sense.
Yeah, she knows you. So what's the point?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that though, bro. And it's like the more visits you get, the cheaper it is, man. So I'm like, yeah, one visit a week, that's fine, man. That's actually perfect.
With members of her cabinet, of course, she has presented to them a draft.
Yeah, and if you're there anyway, you don't have to give them a key.
From Brexit, of course, and unless
Yeah, they probably would prefer it if I'm not here, but I am here. I'll probably just have to go out for a while, you know what I mean, just to get out of their way or something. And I tell them, don't touch anything on the friggin' desk in the office.
It's electrified. Touch it if you dare.
There's hidden cameras everywhere. Just let them know. Just so you know, hidden cameras everywhere. You won't never see them. But that'll be watching you.
I have a digital lock. If somebody comes, I just make a temporary PIN number for them.
What aren't you fancy?
So I don't have to give anybody keys.
Possibly just as Theresa May walks out to address the world.
I don't even use the key. I have a key outside my house, hidden, in case the battery of the lock is dead, because I didn't change it for like 6 months or something like that. But
that is fancy, man. You got friggin' codes to get in the house. That's sweet.
Yeah, basically everything is automated here. It's kind of my thing.
Oh, hello, Andrew. How are you?
Man, I don't see. So you guys trading at all?
Oh no.
What?
We
No.
can do that if that's what you want.
No.
You just say.
No. Okay.
I was tempted to trade the retracement, but you know, Theresa May could walk out that door at any minute and drop a bombshell.
Whatever you want. We have a lot of editorial guys.
I was out for a while this morning, and I got to go out again, man. And in 2 hours, I got a dentist appointment, man. Jesus, man. I hate going to the dentist.
We're hearing is possibly about 20 minutes away.
But I'll get this out the way, and then I have one more on December the 6th, and no more dentist appointments for a while. I don't think. So.
Yeah, I might pack it in for the day, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm just looking. It's like there were probably a couple of trades while I was out, but now, of course, they happen while I'm out. Now that I'm home, there's nothing.
Yeah.
News with you, you'll get all the latest then, but from us.
And then for you to reframe for me.
Call on Prime Minister to resign immediately.
Fuck. Is that new?
Yeah, just now.
From what source?
10 seconds ago.
From what?
RTS said. It's Reuters. Wait, I check where it is from actually. It's directly from Reuters. No gossip.
May about to speak. Rumor circulating. May is coming out to speak shortly.
Okay,
here we go.
I don't want to, but are we later in the bulletin going to either Connor?
Come and say something crazy.
I don't want
When I choose.
to. Okay, so I can refer to them. Okay, fine, good.
Man, this dude with his charts, bro.
Play the clips from Connor Burns and from Arlene.
I don't know how the hell you trade these. Check this out, man.
Okay, cool. But I'll reference them.
I better not put it in the main room because he's here too. No, I'll put it there. Show it to everybody else. You could show it to you too. He's like, put it in the main room.
Put it in the main room. I like firing up beef. This is why I'm never going to be an admin in this channel, because I like putting gasoline on the flame.
Yeah, you're a fire starter.
Yeah, that's me. What is that?
Chinese.
What the fuck?
Yeah, man.
Whose chart's that?
This dude. How do you say his name? Photon.
Photon.
Photize.
Looks a bit weird.
Looks crazy, man.
That's tips or ranges or whatever.
I don't know what the hell it
You
is.
cannot interpret any information other than the regular candle from that. I'm sorry, but it's stupid.
Look at that. Look, yeah, blow that up and look at those candles, man. It's like some kind of. It's almost like it reminds me, for some reason, of market profile,
Yeah, it's like,
and then a little bit of point and figure. I don't know what the hell. How you trade that? see all those numbers?
Yeah, it's like kind of a profile, so you can actually see where the big action happens. This makes some sense, but a market profile is definitely better.
Yeah, a lot better.
I mean, you cannot see anything. You need to see the high volume areas, but if you need like 10 minutes to read the chart, and the show is over.
You know, I shorted CAD Swiss, but the whole time I was gone, it didn't go anywhere, so I closed it when I got home. It was like plus 11. I mean, as soon as I walked in and I saw it, I was just like, okay, I'm out. 11 pips, I'm out. I'll take that. I wonder if it's going to fall any further. It's a perfect AB. That's an ABC. ABC 1, 2, 3.
And tell us something of what has been going on. We were expecting her in the next
Anyway, if it drops below 75.91, which is where I got out, man, it's probably going to go to the next support, which is
Do you know what's crazy though?
75.59.
Looking at cable. Look at cable. So that huge.
Which cable? Cable dollar?
Yes.
Okay.
That huge drop, that 150 pip drop, it's pure speculation. And Theresa May hasn't even spoken yet. So just imagine what it's going to be like when she makes that statement.
Dude, if she resigns, like open the
Fucking
door.
hell.
Fuck off!
She does
I'm out of this.
I'm out of here, bitches.
That would be something.
Deuces.
Like a
7
second
crazy.
speech. You know what? I'm out of here. Here's the key.
I'm tired of this shit, man. She just come out and go, look, I'm tired of this shit. It's taking too long. I'm out of here, bitches.
She just does a Rick for, you know, Rick from Rick and Morty. She just does a Rick. She just goes, all right, you lot work this out among yourselves. I'm gonna go take a shit. It drops the mic.
It drops the mic.
Ready to go here?
Mic drop.
Imminently, yeah.
Yeah, that's an Obama move.
Yeah, give me 1 minute. 2 minutes. We're 2 minutes. Okay, fine.
When she just says there's no Brexit, it was a prank. And the camera's right there.
2 or 3 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay, fine. Okay,
Or even better would be, okay, we have taken profit on all our trades. Everything back to normal.
You know, I used to always tell people, man, if I was that dude, Kim Jong or whatever, every time I shot a friggin' rocket into the Japanese, into the Sea of Japan, I'd be trading that shit like crazy, bro. I'd be going in friggin' wild style.
Like all in with the whole country's GDP.
No, you have to time it, man. You just basically like you watch all the friggin' Asian pairs, and when they're right at their apex, at the height, boom, 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 shoot 3 missiles into the Sea of Japan and short that bitch.
Sorts of arguments have been going on in there. Sky News was told by a reliable source that the withdrawal.
Every time they would shoot it, man, that thing would friggin' plunge. I'm like, dude, if he's not trading that, he's an idiot.
Level playing field commitments, and that is what
To be honest, I don't think many people serve North Korean. Many brokers serve North Korean clientele. To be honest with you,
I'm sure he could trade, bro.
Yeah, sure, he's a leader of a country.
Sure.
They can trade. They just open an offshore company in the UK, brokerage account, 100 million in, and you're good to go.
Yeah, man, it's like, yeah, you're gonna put sanctions on me? Okay, bitches.
imagine how scared you'd be as a UK broker if you just got a call from Kim Jong-un saying, short it all, short everything. It's like, oh shit, there's gonna be a nuclear Armageddon.
being positive about what they've heard. So it's really important.
No, well, if they say short anything, you know it's not going to be that, because
okay,
there's no
fine.
point in shorting
Mr.
everything
Kim,
if the world's going to come to an end.
Mr. Kim, am I going to die?
But there are some cabinet ministers who won't have liked what they've seen. I've heard that there's legal advice from Geoffrey Cox, Attorney General, saying, for example, that there will be no.
Man, what do you think on these yen pairs, man? I'm wondering if this is a good short right here. 1, 2, 3. It's off of the weekly R1.
New Zealand
Dollar
yen could be
yen.
a great short. In fact, I might jump in on that. Actually, yeah,
Which one?
New Zealand yen, I've kind of missed my entry.
Of course, now these friggin' pound pairs are friggin' jittery as a whore in a friggin'
Even Euro's going
Alaskan bar. Huh?
Even Euro's going crazy.
Look at that UCAD, man. It's not coming down. Dollar CAD.
It is pretty
I jumped
solid.
out last night. I jumped out last night. I'm very happy
This
that
is
I
just going nowhere.
I'm still short on Aussie CAD, which is going nowhere.
Why did you think that?
Friggin' A, man.
Yeah, I reckon.
Where's that thing I gotta take to my dentist?
It's oversold. It's overbought right now, so essentially it's gonna just crab maybe a day and then plummet.
Holy shit, what's happened to US yen? Oh, take profit already. Nice.
Kidding.
Yeah, I moved to take profit up, and now, like, as I'm seeing it.
Pussy.
Yeah, exactly. Went right to the target. Chickened out on the swing trades.
Yeah. Which
Molly
one?
maids.
Is that your signal?
And
I wonder if I should.
I was a short Aussie yen, but there is nothing much happening, of course.
Aussie yen. Ooh. Nah.
This is kinda edgy because it could be. This is the breakout. It happened already, and it retested it, so this could easily go back up.
Yeah, it's like fake. There was a fake signal. Looks like short on New Zealand yen, and it friggin' fired back up a little bit higher. Now it's making another top. Should be a couple good trades before this week is over.
Aussie Kiwi should go up, but it doesn't.
The one that sank like crazy is the friggin' CAD yen. What a short that was. Too bad I missed it.
I picked up all my orders except of one.
That's like a 60 pip move, man, on the short for CAD yen. If you were brave enough to take it.
Talking to the wrong people.
Okay, it's time to buy some friggin' I'm gonna buy some pound right now.
Pound yen broke
Damn it.
below on pound yen.
Hold on, let me get this in. Let's get it in.
I want to go on record.
Aussie Kiwi for about
I don't support this.
560 pips.
I heard from reliable sources.
What do you think, man? Well, it doesn't matter what you think. I just bought it. Never mind.
Whatever.
What do you think? What do you think? I need reassurance.
Might have expected, and when I relayed that news about there being no unilateral exit from the backstop, and also that these level playing field commitments, sounds techie, really important.
I'm gonna wait for confirmation. Yeah, you wait. I'm gonna buy.
I buy.
Key legislation from the European Union, despite
Confirmation is just making the range bigger, and bigger range means smaller size, and smaller size means less travel, and less travel means less money.
These guys are bouncing the friggin' price back and forth. I'm looking at my chart and I'm like, that's a buy.
Which pair are you in?
Pound CAD.
Pound CAD, okay.
A level playing field, or what this is sclerotic.
I'm taking a shot. Why? Because. Just because.
Yeah, the pound. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. Price action on pound card.
Yeah,
Some concern, some considerable
I buy. I'm watching they're ping ponging it, dude. I'm looking at the last few moves and I'm like, okay, they're just ping ponging it. So let me take the ping.
Alignment, an ongoing alignment, and some skepticism about the extent to which the United Kingdom could do
It may not go anywhere.
independent trade deals with the likes of the USA. Certainly not.
But I kind of like that the way it's set up,
Whether
man.
or not this backstop arrangement,
I like that setup.
the UK-wide customs alignment that basically looks like a customs union to most people. Single
Boom.
market alignment to
Boom, boom. I'm in profit. Boom.
that could then become the baseline for the future arrangement. An
17
very high
pips.
level of alignment.
I'm out.
Johnson says that he wants. And I think it's,
Boom. Boom. Shaka laka laka.
God damn it.
reaction from Conservative backbenchers. 1922 committee happened to be meeting today. We've also had the DUP in town. Arlene Foster, the leader,
Like a boss.
wanting to meet with
No,
the
not like a
Prime
boss,
Minister
like a Vietnam,
tonight.
like, oh, look, I should have stayed in. Did you see him pop? Oh my God.
Oh, nice.
Oh, shit.
Text will actually be the
Fudge.
exactly
I still got
where
17. Screw it. Well, no, I didn't get 17. By the time I hit it, it was 15.
has been won in the negotiation.
Yeah.
Number 10 adamant that the
And right now it would be 30 something.
is no longer specifically a Northern Ireland.
That's why my computer's being so slow. The pound chart on TradingView keeps refreshing like every 5 fucking milliseconds.
Damn, look at it go. Oh my God. Oh shit, man. I read it perfectly. Oh my God. Oh shit. Oh man. Okay, I know you guys are seeing that, right?
Yeah, I can see that.
That was a 56 pip pop. And I got 17. Yeah.
But then that's just the start of the challenge.
It's a trade.
Also has to, of course, get through Parliament.
Yeah.
Well, that is the point, Faisal. And give
But you know what? It wasn't my standard entry, so as soon as it popped, that's why I got out. I'm like, you know what? Normally, what Swingfish was talking about, I usually wait for way more confirmation than that.
Well, my sense here is that people who saw this,
You gotta hit the bid.
But
this morning
I'm looking at Renko, and so I can see. I'm like, okay, ping down, ping up, ping down, ping up, ping down. Okay, there's one more up here. Bam, and sure enough, man, that's what they're doing. Someone's having fun with the prices, man. I don't know. Well, I don't mean no. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Very hostile.
Yeah, level 2 is crazy too.
A man who just 6-7 months ago
This is insane, man.
Prime Minister's questions that there'd be a statue of the Queen of Brexit, Theresa May.
And this is the whole world. This is not just US.
I think now
Moscow,
Like
New
right
York,
here?
New York, London. The cow is flying here.
people voted for, and that if
Okay, so this would be like a verified buy for pound New Zealand, which I missed, but it's already friggin' failing miserably. And so all of this, I think, is really news driven.
Oh yeah, 100%. This is just This is speculation.
I mean, this is just, man, psychotic price action.
You wanna see the news? Wait, here the news.
Okay, I ran across the street in the middle of in the middle of a shootout and didn't get capped, bro. I'm not gonna run back to the other side.
That's on the writer's live stream.
Oh! Boom, boom, boom!
Holy
Oh,
shit,
they-
that is moving nicely.
My God!
Here we go.
She has to win. Obviously, her cabinet minister.
Like I've never seen it before, but it is exciting. I gotta say, that's exciting.
They put a microphone down.
Oh
and
my
she's gonna
God!
speak.
The buy that I told you.
Holy shit,
Oh,
look where this is
Oh,
going.
fucking hell! That microphone. The fact they put a microphone there is confirmation.
What the hell did she say?
She hasn't said
Nothing.
anything. That's the fucking. It's speculation, dude. That's all it is.
I keep posting the news if something comes up. UK. Oh, they secured it, the deal. From the Telegraph.
That's old news.
Just now.
They secured
A
the
minute
deal.
ago they were already bitching about throwing her out.
Throwing the old cow out on her ass. Wow, do you see what I missed on that friggin'? I bought that and I did not get my share. Damn. That was a 100 pip move in the end, guys.
Yep.
Man, maybe I should have just moved the stop and let it go, huh? Yeah, well, too late now. I'm starting to feel like I'm at a casino. Oh my God!
That's why I'm just
7
staying
again,
away.
bitches!
That's why I'm just staying
7
away.
again! Come on, 9! Come on, 9! Throwing the dice, man.
Yeah.
Wow. I guess if you're quick and you're lucky, you can make some money here. Or you could end up splattered on the side of the friggin' road. Wow. It's good stuff, man.
Oh my fucking God. Look at divergence.
That's good stuff. Huh?
Look at fucking divergence. It's just been like level 1,000 negative, and now it's like level 1,000 positive.
Dude, it's going up, and then it's like making on Renko, bro. Huge red candle from the. I'm like, what the hell? But it's not closing. It's just like reversing the move. The candle's not closing. Oh, this is insane. You don't see this every day.
That while the speculation suggests,
especially not in New York.
This is like fucking.
There would be specific provision for Northern Ireland in relation to this single market. So regulatory.
Dude, all I need is one nice juicy 1, 2, 3 like this, but unfortunately, this probably won't be affected like what's setting up with Euro, yen, and I would really like a nice one of those for with the pound pair.
Cool. We're going to
see if I can find one.
Shot when the PM comes out. So if you could give us a nice push.
Because whatever's going to happen, man, it's just going to be like a friggin' rocket ship. If I can find one. Of course, I don't think there is one, man. These prices are just gyrating too wildly.
Although we don't know exactly what they are going to be at this stage,
oh well.
We can speculate.
Divergence is just fucking wild.
And supply agreement. Arlene Foster has been saying.
I'm surprised friggin'
Bitcoin drops to 1 year low.
Finding Swingfish, you gotta have something on the VWAP, man, where you could get a quick 8%.
No,
a quick 8%. Make yourself a quick 8%, buddy.
Christ. Imagine if the VWAP was actually accurate in these situations. Like, how much money would you make?
Right, if it could actually like bounce off of it like a cat.
Oh my god.
I looked, the short entry was not really there.
Aussie card looking like it's going to go for a head and shoulders.
Dude, I'm like, as soon as it's giving 3 bars, man, I'm like, okay, should I? No, I shouldn't. I'm done, bro. That was insane. Anybody have a link for when she's gonna come out so we could like actually like live see what she says?
We don't know. We don't
know. I have the live stream of the door of her house on.
So when she steps out the door.
Yeah, that's literally it. That's literally all it is. That's my live stream.
Yeah, you know what? I actually seen a stream where they were like friggin' stalking out. Whose door was it? They had the cameraman. The cameraman was across the street, man. Just like, oh, here he comes right now. Then he jumped into his friggin' car, man, and headed somewhere else. Like, oh, check these dudes out, man. Friggin' Stalker City. This dude can't sneak prostitutes in or nothing.
arresting people and sending them to countries.
Yeah, there was a reversal, VWAP reversal, but it smashed them about 8 pips. But a technical target was met at plus 73, so this is actually a valid trade. But I would not have taken it, it went way too fast.
The future won't have been answered, and that's because
Here she comes, fire in the hole.
Oh.
Okay.
Where's you?
Give us a link, man. Give us a link.
Just check my live stream.
BBC News, get your fucking coverage.
The cabinet has
Oh, we're on live stream, dude. You're killing me, man. Got me screaming and acting a fool.
She's not outside yet.
Yes, she is.
What the fuck? BBC News is so late with this.
Yeah, check my live stream.
Oh shit.
I'm trying to find it. I'm going to YouTube right now. There you are. Brexit News. Okay.
I firmly believe that the draft withdrawal agreement was the best that could be negotiated, and it was for the Cabinet to decide whether to move on in the talks. The choices before us were difficult, particularly in relation to the Northern Ireland backstop, but the collective decision of Cabinet was that the government should agree the draft withdrawal agreement and the outline political declaration. This is a decisive step which enables us to move on and finalise the deal in the days ahead. These decisions were not taken lightly, but I believe it is a decision that is firmly in the national interest. When you strip away the detail, the choice before us is clear. This deal, which delivers on the vote of the referendum, which brings back control of our money, laws and borders, ends free movement, protects jobs, security and our union, or leave with no deal, or no Brexit at all. I know that there will be difficult days ahead.
Why is the audio out of sync? Are they crazy? That's a sexy looking woman.
You know, that's, yeah, man.
But the choice was this deal which enables
These dudes, they love a powerful woman. There's a sexy. Now there's a handsome woman.
I didn't say that. It was in YouTube chat.
I see it, man.
On the referendum. It's my job as Prime Minister to explain the decisions that the government has taken, and I stand ready to do that, beginning tomorrow with a statement in Parliament. But if I may end by just saying this, I believe that what I owe to this country is to take decisions that are in the national interest. And I
look at her and I can imagine she smells like old mothballs.
Which is in the best interests of our entire United Kingdom.
Damn, Reuters News are so fast.
It's at least 5 minutes ahead of fucking.
I had what she's
saying.
That
was it.
That's it, yeah. I had what she is saying on my news feed for Reuters before she was actually saying it on the live stream.
Yeah,
that was pretty impressive.
So
well, that was fun.
She just said, "Okay, it's a deal," and now all the pound pairs are freaking falling.
They're consolidating. They're right in the middle of the range. Pound dollar is right in the middle of its range right now.
I want something. I want something. I want something.
But that was pretty impressive. I read the text from Reuters, and then like 10 seconds later she said it on the live stream.
Wow, that's crazy. I wasn't even looking at mine. Whew. Yeah, mine's not saying it. Oh, I had it turned off.
Right, let's see if I can remedy this situation. Aussie CAD. More like Aussie bad, because it's going the wrong fucking way.
I guess that's it. Show is over. 5
It's a
hours
wrap.
waiting for nothing.
Well, that's me done training for today. Don't know about you, but I've had my fill.
You know what? I just wish I would have got that 100 pips, man, when I friggin' bought the
You'd be done
pound
for the
CAD
fucking
like that.
month.
Oh wow! Look at them all crashing now.
Yeah, I'm out.
Everyone's thinking, oh, okay, she just spoke. It's gonna go up, and they're all dropping. Go on and get you some. Yeah, I'm kind of afraid to do anything at the moment, and I don't see any setups.
Yeah, now it's gonna just consolidate until tomorrow. So fuck it.
No, they're all gonna drop. Well, that's at least what they look like. And right now, no, there's no way. Anybody have the balls to sell some pound pairs?
No.
That's the move. That is the move. Why are they dropping? Anybody want to speculate?
I don't know. I'm done.
Swing
I'm pretty
fish?
sure there are quite a number of sellers in the markets, and they have to get out of it in some fashion.
Watching them. That's a wrap. I think you're right, Beer Bongy. That's a wrap.
Yeah.
Just wait for some classics. And you have to be quick, man. It's like every time I get a 3-bar, it's just like it makes resistance and drops. You give you a good 20 pips, man, but it's like I'm so paranoid of some like huge move that's coming out of nowhere.